Senator. My toes are talented. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. So in today's video, I am going to be creating this look using the new collection by Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors. You guys, when I found out that these two were collaborating, I already knew that this collection was going to be perfection, and I was right. You guys, everything from packaging to formula, just to every single detail of this collection is just perfect, and I couldn't be any happier for both of them. You guys know Iluvsarahii is a really good friend of mine, and so is Anna. Like, we go way back, and I couldn't be any happier. So congratulations to both of you guys. And let me tell you guys, Dose of Colors knows how to throw a party. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or an Insta story, you guys might have saw the turn up, because it was lit. From the decorations to the drinks to the performances, you guys, she had Tyga performing at the party.
Hey, come on, let you get a taste. Come on, do you have a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. I got a girls like me, niggas wanna fight me, nigga.
Exactly. It is literally the party of the year. You already know it's gonna be so much fun because she just knows how to throw a party. Enough of that. I'm gonna show you guys how to create this look, but before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, but before we do, I wanted to just go over the whole collection with you guys and show you guys the packaging, the colors. I'm gonna do swatches. This is what the PR package looks like. It is a simple white box with a signature of Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors logo. And this is what the inside looks like. It comes with a beautiful image of Karen, also known as Iluvsarahii. She looks so stunning in this photo. It also comes with a cute postcard of 3 looks that were created for the campaign. It comes with 4 matte lipsticks and 2 glosses. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, and it also comes with 2 highlighters. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a cute leaf print with a nude background. It's super clean, super chic, very Karen. I love the fact that it's super small and it's gonna be super easy to travel with. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. It comes with 2 matte and 4 foiled eyeshadows, which are super gorgeous. I just love the combo. I love how she just put a pop of color. I think she just did such a wonderful job. I'm pretty sure they're pretty pigmented because, knowing Karen and Anna, the co-founder of Dose of Colors, they are super particular, making sure that all of the eyeshadows are super pigmented. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the highlighter. This is called Soulmate, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a gold undertone highlighter, which is gonna look super pretty on any skin tone. So this is the next highlighter. This one is called Bathe. This has like a pink undertone, which is super pretty. You can still rock it with any look. So we have 4 liquid lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these towards the end because I just want to go ahead and get right into the tutorial and just play with these eyeshadows and these highlighters. I'm gonna do swatches on my lips for each of these products so you guys can see the color payoff, what the color looks like, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see the full detail of the eyeshadow that I'm gonna create. I'm gonna actually do an eye off camera and then bring you guys back in to show you guys how I created that look. So I went ahead and I did my left eye off camera. This is the look I wanted to go for. I got inspo from this picture right here. I've already primed my eyes and set my primer. We're gonna start off by using this color right here called Loungy, and I'm just gonna pick up a BH Cosmetic brush, and we're gonna pack that in the crease because I want the color on the crease to stand out a lot. And I'm just gonna build it as much as possible until I'm satisfied. Continue going back and forth. And I'm bringing the eyeshadow a little higher than usual because, as you can see, my lid space is right here and I brought the eyeshadow up a little higher. I'm just gonna do the same step with each eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Addiction small tapered blender brush, and I'm gonna go go in with this color right over here called Wanderlust. And I'm just going to focus that color in my crease and build it as much as possible, because as you can see on this side, I wanted it to be super pigmented and super noticeable. So we're just going to apply that color right into the crease. And I'm putting a generous amount. Like I said before, I want these colors to be super intense and I want the color just to stand out. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. Absolutely love this color. This is such a pretty color. And then just go back and forth and just build. So moving on to the lid color, I'm going to be picking up this shade called Palma. And I'm going to be picking it up with a flat brush. And we're just going to press it onto the lid. This color is so beautiful. When I first applied it, it just looks like, it looks so wet. And usually I have to wet the brush, but you don't have to do that with this eyeshadow. And I'm bringing the color a little higher than my actual lid because I do want my eyes to appear a little larger. So I'm just bringing it up just a little higher than my actual crease. And I'm just making sure that I pat the actual eyeshadow. I'm not swiping so I don't get that much fallout. So before we move on to the outer corner, I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of translucent powder. And I am going to apply it right here because these eyeshadows are super pigmented. And if I do have any fallout, I want to make sure that it doesn't ruin my concealer or anything like that. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that underneath. And I'm going to be using the brush 217 by MAC and Finders Keepers. And I am going to press that eyeshadow on the outer corner and then blend it out. This is just to kind of give it that smoky effect on the outer corner. And I'm using a more fluffy brush because as I'm pressing the eyeshadow, I'm also blending at the same time. So this brush is great for that when you are working in like a small space like the outer corner. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Razor Sharp by Urban Decay. And I'm not going to bring the eyeliner all the way in. I'm actually going to do it from the center outward. And we are going to create a small wing because I want to elongate the eyes. If you keep it right in the center, it just elongates your eyes and it makes your eyes appear a lot larger. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Cautious New Mascara. I used it on this side and you guys, let me tell you, this brush like pulled my lashes to the roof. It is so freaking good. It's so good. I wish like you guys can see it in person. My lashes, they're like so separated, so full. Definitely going to be one of my new favorite mascaras. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Lilly lashes in the style Ella. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Aqua XL in the shade M10, which is a black eyeliner. And we're just going to run that through the bottom of our lash line. And to smudge that out, I'm going to be using this Morphe E43 brush. And I like to just get right in between the lashes and my bottom waterline and just kind of blend everything together. And then going back in with Wanderlust, we're just gonna pick that up and then run that through the bottom of our lash line. And then just to set the eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of Finders Keeper right on top of that. Now to finish the bottom of the eyes, we're just gonna apply a little bit of that Caution mascara. So first we're gonna swatch out Bathe, and this is a more pinkier undertone highlighter. It's super pretty. It definitely can go with any skin tone and makes your skin look super wet. And next we have the shade called Soulmate, and this is a more goldy undertone. It is super champagne-y. It has like gold reflex, and I absolutely love how this definitely looks on my skin. So I think we're gonna go ahead and use Soulmate as our highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush by Morphe. This is my favorite brush for highlighter. It's the M501 brush. We're just gonna go ahead and drench our whole face with highlighter. Yes, Karen. Came through drip drip. This definitely gives you like a really nice like wet look. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips, and I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer, and I'm just gonna do swatches so you guys can see the full effect and the full color of each shade. So first we're gonna start off with the glosses. So we are gonna start off by using Barely There. This next one is called Brillo. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the liquid lipsticks. First you have the Nude Chica, which is a pretty nude color. It has nice pink undertone, very everyday. Love this color. Next we have this color named Peachii. It's also still a very nude color, but it is a little bit more on the peachy undertone. It's super pretty, also everyday. You can definitely switch it up between the Nude Chica and the Peachii. So next we have Aesthetic, and this color is super rich, super pigmented, has a little bit of a red orangey undertone. I think it's going to be the perfect color to transition from summer to fall. Last but not least, we have Fresa, which is a beautiful corally red undertone liquid lipstick. It is such a beautiful color. I feel like this color can be rocked with any look. It definitely is very rich in color, and it just looks perfect. Even with this look, I find that it looks super gorgeous and is just the perfect undertone curly red. All right everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Honestly, I was gonna switch my color to a nude lip, but then I was looking in the mirror and I just saw how well the lip color complemented my eyeshadow, and it just made my eyeshadow pop a lot more, and I just decided just to leave the color on because I just love how it looked. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know if you're excited to try this collection, because I was so excited. I already knew that this collection was just going to be perfection, so I just was excited to just swatch everything. Again, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.